Okay, so if you feel like you stop losing weight on these, if you're not diabetic, you don't really need the insulin. What you can do is just either double up with the Ozempic, but the Ozempic always made me sick. I didn't really like the Ozempic. Like, who has time to be sick? The tirzepatide, because it's the second generation of Ozempic or whatever. This one, I'm only getting a limited amount from the person that I get them from. So what I'm gonna do is split the 10 milligrams and do 5 milligrams one week and then 5 the other week. So I need to take this apart because this is only a single use. So what I'm gonna do, go back to our wonderful the needle is right there. And you can just do from the top out. Just forget a little bit of it. So now you do is you clean your hair. And you only want to do half of the syringe if you want, but whatever, I'm just gonna do it all. I might have gone a little bit too deep with that one, because this one's the needle for that, and then the incident needles. So you have a tirzepatide, and you don't want to do the whole, especially if you have a stronger strength than 10, and you can take it apart. But I haven't done a shot in about a month, so I just went ahead and did the whole thing. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that you can take it apart, and you can microdose as needed if you feel like you're not losing weight with one shot a week. And you can, do little microdoses here and there.